Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to allow only specific people to see your Facebook story. If you want to keep your story private or share it with just a select few, this updated feature makes it easy to control who views your posts. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best features. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will open the story creation page where you can add your photo or video. Step 3. Now, tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can access your privacy settings for the story. Step 4. In the privacy options, tap on Custom. This will give you more control over who can see your story. Step 5. Now, you'll be able to select exactly who you want to share your story with. Simply mark the people you want to allow access to your story, and unmark anyone you'd like to exclude. Once you're happy with your selection, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your Facebook story. It's an easy way to ensure that only the people you want to view your post have access to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks.